Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's answer another question. What if iisa lang po ang main beneficiary? Main participant namin is men. To answer this question, the respondents of the study is not the only beneficiary of your study. The respondents of your study is not the only beneficiary of your study. So, hindi lamang yung mga participants ninyo ang magbe-benefit sa study ninyo. My point is, you can try to brainstorm and try to come up with other beneficiaries aside from your participants. Usually, ang included dyan is yung academic institution if you are conducting it in a school or yung commercial establishment kung business by nature ang inyong study. So kung saang institution, hindi lang academic, pwedeng commercial or business institution, kasama sila doon sa tinatawag natin beneficiaries. Pangatlo, pwedeng community. Kung merong makukuha yung nakapaligid doon sa institusyon, kasama sila sa beneficiaries. Pang-apat, yung mga future researchers na magbabasa ng inyong study, meron silang makukuha, therefore, meron silang benefit from your study. So, ulitin natin, hindi lang yung respondents ang beneficiary ng inyong study. So, if you are going to pursue that path, baka ma-call out yung attention ninyo. And basically, doon din pupunta yung recommendation ng inyong panelists during the research defense. So I hope this was able to clarify everything before you even start your research defense. Thank you very much everyone. Stay safe and God bless. Again, if you have questions related to your research writing or research defense, write it on the comment section below and I'll try to provide a reply video for your question. Thank you very much. Bye!